gosh. That came out of nowhere. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, Tyler, appreciate the roses so much, man. That was amazing. Wow. That was so big. Hey, thank you for the friend. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Oh my god, bro. That's a lot of burps. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. I appreciate Oh my gosh. That was a crazy burp, bro. Sheesh. I don't know how I do it. It's just like a weird talent to burp like this. Jeez. Whoa. That was crazy, bro. Whew. I don't know what's happening, man, but it's working, it's working. Oh my god.
We're getting dubs right now.
All right. Man, that's what happened with a little bit of Red Bull. How crazy is that?
I don't know what the fuck to buy.
Oh, damn. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
We just and I didn't tell.
That was a big one. Wow. Yeah. Need some big hips for big burps. I don't do no small thing. That was a bigger one. Woo! That was crazy. Oh my gosh. You know the burps will start coming. Dude, I just have a lot incoming. Wow. Woo. That was crazy. I hope that one was good too. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh. My bad, bro. I just. Wow. That was insane.
Hey, so here? I wish I had the medallion though. He must have.
Ooh. That was a little bit of a crazy burp. Oops. Oh, fuck, bro. Oh my gosh, man, that was a lot of food. Everyone's comments. Ooh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Sorry. That was loud. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. Part of my team, buddy. Oh, that was so bad.
Nope. What you gonna get? I wanna get something all night, just like Andy right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Oopsie. Ooh. Ooh. And I live by. Oh. Yeah, I do. Sheesh. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, wow, that was... Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. Oh, pardon. Oh, man. Older. I'm gonna be young plus one, you know? My favorite show to watch on Netflix. And fudge. Bro, it's bad. It's like oh my god. Damn.
Yeah. Ooh. No, I need to... wait, I'm pretty capable.
Fuck. C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R.
oh shit.
Image.
I can like do crazy burps. It's what they know me for also.
I have a reservation.
Yeah.
On the river.
They know you for your burps?
Dude, I get custom requests too.
I can do it louder than you.
No, this wasn't loud. I can really echo.
Please put more gravel in there, bro. I'm gonna die if I smoke that.
You want me to put more
Yeah,
gravel in there?
yeah, a little
Alright,
bit
that's
more.
up to y'all. I'm not smoking it, so.
Yeah, bro, a little bit more.
You don't even see it, bro. I have a good mixture in there.
I
It's
know. I'm
abundant.
seeing it.
gosh.
Alright, brother.